driveway's full of snow, so we were given $200 to make it not full of snow. Bought a busted snowblower on Facebook Marketplace from a very nice lady. So now we're going to go fix it. We just bought this busted snowblower off Facebook Marketplace. This is our first real attempt starting it. We just brought it back. We haven't done any work on it or anything yet. There we go. Alright. Run it. One click up. We're on start. It's close.
My eardrums.
Let's see if it has gas in it. Yeah. So we're going to start with gas. We're going to put gas in it. I don't know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Less energy, so you can play more, share more, and make more.
Turtle, come here. You think there's some crud in the bottom of this gas can? Or in the bottom of the tank. Should we take it out and clean it or just fucking send her?
Send her.
Alright.
It's a Yark machine, I'll take it.
Yeah. And we got this fucking shitty new gas cans.
You know there's like 10 like, there's gas cans in the backyard, right?
In the backyard?
Yeah.
Are they full?
I think so. A couple of them are.
You said some of them were 2-stroke, so we just fucking...
It ain't gonna hurt this thing.
It wouldn't help it. Fucking... We bought it busted. Asterisk. Tank was empty, so...
All it's gonna be is it was out of gas.
The lady was very nice.
Yes. She was.
And that'll do it. So, you might have been able to hear, and you can clearly see, a big old hole in the muffler. That's why it was so loud. Man, check that out. Isn't that something? And then the oil, you can see, do not fill above full mark. The full mark's right there. Why is the oil way up there?
That's a problem.
What's a problem? The whole thing is spinning. Yeah, Turtle, what the fuck?
Thanks for calling me a fucktwat.
Alright. Yeah, so we're going to need a pair of vice grips.
Yeah.
Professionals, my ass. Yeah, so it's right to tighten it.
Yeah.
There we go. That's what we like to see. Please be oil coming out of there. Please be oil. That's oil. God damn filthy oil, but that's oil.
And dry.
Here, let's take the, Oh, it's not vacuum holding that oil in there. It might be gravity.
Might help.
Golly. That's fucked.
That's yummy.
Don't spill it.
It has oil.
Turtle!
Okay.
You dumbass.
It's got an oil filter on there somewhere, don't it?
Nope.
No?
Not that.
If Chris wants to get his panties in a twist that we shot too long of a segment of video, I'll edit the goddamn video. How hard could it be?
Very hard.
How hard could it be?
I heard you on camera saying that shit.
How hard could it be? How long has that been? That's been draining for a good few minutes at that exact flow rate. I mean, I get it's cold out, so you know it's more viscous.
It's
And it's a small drain tube, but golly, that's some,
you get some good weave.
that is some nasty oil. Here. Oh yeah, that's. All right. While I'm thinking of it, let's check the shear pins. For those, They're shear bolts. They're shear bolts. So for those of you who don't know how snowblowers work, there's an axle in here that spins. Now that's connected to a differential here, and that goes to the drive shaft. Now, let's say a big old rock gets stuck in here and jams the auger. That'll shit your differential in a hurry. So instead of shitting the differential, we got these bolts here. These bolts are specially cut so that they break before there's a crack in the diff. Fuck! There's a crack in that there differential. These are not shear bolts, are they? These are regular bolts. These are grade 8 bolts.
That's why the differential is cracked.
So instead of shear bolts, like it's supposed to have, it looks like they put grade 8 bolts in there. Grade 8 bolts are fucking tough. What is it, 125,000 pounds of shear strength or something like that? Something like that. Which is way more than this differential. Fuck me.
How much fucking oil?
They're shear bolts, we're good. Stop panicking. We're fine. Where'd the nut go?
I'm so shaky.
Right there.
They are shear bolts. The crack in the differential's fine.
JB Weld to fix it. And that's how you change oil. You don't need to add more.
Merry Christmas. Do you seriously not know how to pour oil?
It's cold. And there's shit in it.
Hold it the other way. Hey.
It's fine.
Hold it like that. Because then it pours out and the air comes out, goes back in easier.
Set it to start. The choke's good. Set the knob to start. There you go. Come on, buddy.
I had to do it the first time. Got more compression
Yeah,
now.
fucking pull from the fucking...
Cut! Did you break my fucking
They
sunglasses?
dropped. Oh, they're just fucking glued in there?
No.
Yeah. Look at that. That's a fucking glue joint. She works. Oh, we should have tried the auger. Ready,
Still?
tighty, lefty, loosey. You were tightening it on there.
Well, it's still not the right. It's 3/4?
Yeah, it's 3/4.
Are we sure about that?
Yeah, it's just tall. The socket was not that deep.
I was going the right way. I don't think it's 3/4, bud.
I don't think your socket's deep enough. That ain't happening. That might. It's not 3/4. spark plug doesn't feel like it's quite right, so we're changing that out. Let's get a look at it. Oh, she fuel fouled. Not quite.
I got a file on my car.
Here, let me.
Got a needle file.
Ah, fuck, that's hot. All right. I can give me something to hold it with. Just put it in the socket. Yeah, that'll work.
Socket. Or do you want me to just hold it?
There we go. All right. Oh, focus. All right. There you can see gap looks good. So it's not that. It's pretty dirty, but not wet. Oh,
Now it's fucked.
gap's fucked. We fucked it. Turtle
No,
fucked
it's
it.
alright.
So, here, let me plug in. So that black cone there, you can kind of see, it's supposed to be white. It's ceramic like the outside, but it's black. It's kind of filthy. But importantly, it's not wet. Wet is bad. It means it's fuel fouled. Fuel has been pushed in between that little ceramic cone and the igniter, and it shorts it out. They're old but good. Try and get a shot inside the muffler. Let's go a little bit there. Upon closer inspection, the goddamn augers are on backwards. You can see, because instead of funneling all the snow into the middle and through there and out there, they're just pushing it out to the sides and out this way, which isn't helpful at all. Like in the world's shittiest snowplow. And it's not blow.